Tauni Alexander here, and today I'm going to tell you how to do something that I think will really help grow your business on social media and to really focus your business efforts on Facebook wisely. If you're with direct sales like I am, I like to use my Facebook intentionally, and so I work with senegence and lip sync, so I notice that my feed is all senegence, all lip sync related because I'm interacting with my team, I'm interacting with my friends that I've met through the business, and so I have created friends lists on Facebook to help me be more intentional with who I'm interacting at the times that I want to be interacting intentionally. So I'm going to show you how to create a friends list on Facebook. It'll help you know, like, where are my potential customers at, where are my potential downlines or team members at, and help you interact with those people so that they're seeing your things and you're seeing their things as well. So I'm going to show you how to organize your friends. If you notice on the left-hand side of your screen when you click on Facebook, there is an Explore option, and in that option you'll see a list that says Friends List. It's an option that you can click on. If you click Friends List, you will notice that on my Friends List, I have a list for my first line, I have a list for my Dominion, I have a list for my hot prospects, and a list for my customers. Each time I click on those lists, it's gonna bring up who I want to see that fall in those categories. So on the top of the screen, you can see where it says Create List. To create a list, all you need to do is click that, and then it will ask you for a name. You're gonna wanna name it, and then you're gonna add members to that list. So if I have customers and I want to interact with them and make sure they're seeing when I'm posting about senegence, I'm gonna type in customers as the name, and I'm gonna add all of my customers to that list. If I want to be able to interact with those who I have personally sponsored, and I want to be able to go and comment on their videos, comment on their posts so that I know that I am seeing what they're posting and know that they're getting engagement and I'm helping with their engagement, then I'm gonna have a list for all of my first line girls. You wanna communicate and connect with your team and your prospects intentionally. Set hours and times to go through these lists and intentionally interact with these people. And that's gonna help you make use of your Facebook so much better. It's gonna make sure that you are seeing who you need to see and they're gonna be seeing you as well. So this is just a little tip that I have found helps me. If you guys have any questions about friends lists or how to start one or what are some options of lists to have, just comment below. I would be happy to help you, happy to answer any questions you guys have. It really has helped my business a ton. So I highly recommend to break your friends on Facebook down into lists and interact with them intentionally. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you next time.